Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study Lippincott Pharmacology step by step. First, familiarize yourself with the book's layout. Pay attention to the organization of chapters and the helpful appendices. Next, prioritize understanding the major drug classes and their core mechanisms. Don't just memorize, strive to grasp the why behind each drug's effect. Finally, actively engage with the review questions provided at the end of every chapter to test your comprehension. To truly master pharmacology, active learning is crucial. Start by making your own flashcards for essential drug information, like names, indications, and adverse effects. Visual learners will benefit greatly from drawing diagrams to illustrate drug pathways and how they interact within the body. Additionally, consider forming a study group. Discussing challenging concepts with peers can solidify your understanding and expose you to different perspectives, making learning more dynamic. Consistent review is key to long-term retention in pharmacology. Make it a habit to revisit material regularly, perhaps weekly, to keep it fresh in your mind. Don't rely solely on the book's questions. Seek out practice questions from other resources to broaden your exposure and test your knowledge in different formats. Always try to link new information to what you already know. This creates a stronger mental framework, making recall much easier. Finally, apply your pharmacological knowledge to real-world situations. Think about how drugs are used in clinical scenarios and their impact on patient care. It's also vital to understand common drug interactions and contraindications to ensure patient safety. Remember, the goal is not just to pass an exam, but to become a competent healthcare professional. And hey, if you're looking to freshen up your ride, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.